Would it surprise you to learn that green tea is the second most consumed beverage in the world, right after water? This ancient brew, revered in cultures across the globe, is more than just a soothing sip. Its popularity isn't merely due to its refreshing taste, but also its incredible health benefits. From boosting brain function to reducing the of cancer, green tea is a powerhouse of wellness. So what makes green tea so beneficial? Let's dive in. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Benefit number 1. Green tea is incredibly rich in antioxidants. But what exactly are antioxidants? Think of them as the body's little warriors. They guard our cells from damage caused by potentially harmful molecules known as free radicals. When free radicals outnumber antioxidants, it can lead to a state called oxidative stress. This can subsequently cause cellular damage and is linked to a multitude of diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Now, here's where green tea enters the scene. It's packed with powerful antioxidants called polyphenols, specifically a type called catechins. These catechins are natural antioxidants that help prevent cell damage and provide other benefits. They combat oxidative stress, reducing inflammation, and fighting against disease. So, while enjoying the soothing warm taste of your green tea, remember it's not just a cup of comfort. It's also a cup full of these disease-fighting catechins. So, next time you sip on your green tea, remember you are fueling your body with powerful antioxidants. Moving on to benefit number 2, green tea can give your brain a boost. Let's delve into how this happens. The secret lies in its caffeine content, which is a known stimulant. But green tea doesn't just contain caffeine. It also has the amino acid L-theanine, which can cross the blood-brain barrier. L-theanine increases the activity of the inhibitory neurotransmitter GABA, which has anti-anxiety effects. It also increases dopamine and the production of alpha waves in the brain. This unique combination found in green tea can have synergistic effects. It keeps you awake and helps you focus better by improving brain function and mood. Moreover, green tea is rich in polyphenols and antioxidants, which protect the brain from aging and diseases. So, the next time you need to pull an all-nighter, consider swapping that cup of coffee for green tea. So, need a brain boost? Green tea might just be the answer. Benefit number 3. Green tea can aid in weight loss. Let's delve into how this wonder beverage works its magic. Green tea is packed with compounds called catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. This powerful antioxidant not only combats cell damage, but also plays an instrumental role in fat burning. EGCG aids in weight loss by boosting your metabolic rate. A higher metabolism means your body burns calories faster, even when you're at rest. But that's not all. Green tea also promotes fat oxidation, a process where fats in your body are broken down to be used for energy. This dual action of boosting metabolism and promoting fat oxidation can help you shed those stubborn pounds. In addition to this, the caffeine in green tea can also give your exercise routine a boost, helping you burn more calories during your workout. So, looking to shed a few pounds? Consider adding green tea to your diet. Benefit number 4. Green tea can improve heart health. Let's dive right into it. Green tea is a heart-friendly beverage packed with a variety of compounds that can help to strengthen and protect your heart. One of the ways it does this is by helping to lower bad cholesterol levels. This is largely due to the presence of catechins, powerful antioxidants that have been shown to reduce levels of low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, which is the kind of cholesterol we often refer to as bad. But that's not all. Green tea also has anti-inflammatory properties that aid in reducing inflammation in the heart's blood vessels, potentially lowering your risk of heart disease. It's like a mini health spa for your heart right in your teacup. Let's not forget that heart disease is one of the leading causes of death globally. But by regularly drinking green tea, you could be giving your heart the care it needs. So, want a healthier heart? Green tea could be your heart's best friend. Benefit number 5. Green tea can reduce the risk of cancer. Now, cancer is a complex and multifaceted disease, but one thing is clear. Prevention is better than cure. The antioxidants in green tea, specifically the catechins, are known to have a protective effect against cancer. Green tea has been linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer. For instance, it's been associated with lower rates of breast cancer, one of the most common cancers in women. Researchers have also seen positive effects on colorectal cancer rates. Additionally, studies suggest that green tea may help protect against lung and prostate cancer. It's important to note that more research is needed, but these findings certainly paint a promising picture. Green tea is a simple, tasty beverage that could potentially have a big impact on your health. So, for a proactive approach to cancer prevention, consider green tea. Now let's delve deeper into the benefits 6 through 11, taking a comprehensive approach to understand how each is achieved. Benefit 6 is all about oral health. You might wonder, how does green tea contribute to a brighter smile? Green tea aids oral health in numerous ways. To start with, it is a natural source of fluoride, a mineral which is known to fortify our teeth. A study published in the Journal of Oral and Maxillofacial Pathology revealed that green tea contains a higher quantity of fluoride than other beverages, making it an excellent choice for strong teeth. Moreover, green tea is also rich in catechins, potent antioxidants that eliminate harmful bacteria in our mouths, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. A study in the Journal of Periodontology backs this claim, highlighting the role of catechins in preventing periodontal diseases. Furthermore, the antimicrobial properties of green tea combat halitosis-causing bacteria, making it a natural remedy for bad breath. The seventh benefit is the prevention of diabetes. Diabetes represents a significant global health crisis affecting millions. Studies like the one published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular consumption of green tea could reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 33%. Green tea owes this benefit to polyphenols, which help regulate glucose in the body, preventing high insulin spikes and fat storage. Next, let's examine longevity, which is benefit 8. A study in the Journal of the American Medical Association concluded that regular consumption of green tea is associated with decreased mortality due to all causes, particularly cardiovascular disease. The potent antioxidants in green tea protect against cellular damage and chronic diseases, adding more healthy years to your timeline. Moving on to benefit 9, focus on eye health. Green tea prevents ocular diseases. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that the antioxidants present in green tea can permeate the tissues of the eyes and produce antioxidant activity for up to 20 hours, hence reducing the risk of and other eye diseases. Benefit 10 revolves around arthritis prevention. Arthritis causes inflammation and pain in the joints, making it a debilitating condition. The Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism published a study suggesting that the polyphenols in green tea have anti-inflammatory properties that reduce the symptoms of arthritis. Plus, it showed that green tea can slow cartilage breakdown and lessen the risk of arthritis development. Finally, benefit 11 highlights how green tea boosts immunity. It's packed with flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that enhances the immune system's strength, as confirmed by a study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition. Furthermore, the L-theanine in green tea boosts your body's T cells' ability to combat infections. So the next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for a cup of green tea. So there you have it. A comprehensive and in-depth examination of the 6 benefits through 11 of drinking green tea, supported by relevant studies and statistics. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on the overall importance of green tea in our health. This humble leaf, steeped in hot water, is a powerhouse of antioxidants, a booster of brain function, an aid in weight loss, a friend to our hearts, and a warrior against cancer. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Green tea is truly a cornerstone of good health and a testament to the power of nature. Remember, a cup of green tea a day keeps the doctor away. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.